Here we are again.
We are.
What you doing here on your week off, mate?
You called me in.
You were called
It's your
in.
fault.
I know, mate.
Blaming you.
I'm so sorry.
I know. And I've got post-race blues.
Oh.
Yeah, we were away at the weekend at Anglesey racing, so I'm not being all Brad Pitt with my sunglasses on, but Dav wants perfect light and the sun's right there, so I thought I'd stick the sunglasses on. Right, so we won't get too hung up on what I did at the weekend because this is probably going to go out late, but because this is a project video. Dav, I bought a new car.
Go on. It's an RS4.
In Sepang blue.
Sepang.
Sepang blue.
That is my favourite colour, my favourite Audi colour.
Ignore the lorry going past. This popped up because an owner reached out about building an engine because his sump is full of swarf, and he decided it wasn't his bag to have it rebuilt. We did a little deal because he's got an R8 as well, so we did a little deal. And this is what I was saying to you about last time. They always come along when I don't want them.
Yep.
But this is too good to be true, so I've had to jump on this and it will just sit there now. We'll get the others done that way, which we'll update you on in the update, or we have updated you on in the update, whatever. But yeah, I thought I'd show you what's what. Do you want to have a look inside, mate?
Let's have a look. So I think this is quite a nicely spec'd one from what you were saying.
On a complete tangent, if anybody knows how to get rid of one of those, give me a shout. We had an engine delivered for a car from a breaker's yard for an R8, and it turned up in that full of tyres. So it is empty. I ain't got a clue how to get rid of it. But
does that normally have a water thing inside?
yeah, it's LB6. So that we've got one of these in a workshop for what we keep our waste oil in.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dav.
Right, hang on.
Do you want to go in or do you want to do engine first?
Oh, let's have a look inside first.
So this is a B8 RS4 with the same engine in that was in my RS5. It's got pano roof. What else has it got?
And roof. Yeah.
Pretty rare spec, to be fair. I haven't bought a car for a while where the battery's still charged. That's novel.
That's interesting, yeah.
I'll put these up because I'm inside now.
So it looks like it's got the carbon pack on it.
It's got front carbons.
Yeah. Oh, ceramics as well.
Ceramics as well, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Got a nice interior trim, pano roof.
Yeah.
And not every car comes with a pot full of metal, mate.
Ooh.
Let me get rid of that ignition a minute. Look at that.
Well, that is not what you want.
It isn't. And it's coppery, so I'm going for rod bearings, which I have never seen them spin rod bearings with. So it runs, it's fine.
Yeah.
But I think it's just got
happy.
a little knock.
Knocky knocky.
Yeah, so yeah, we get it done. It's lovely. Back seats have never been sat in.
It looks mint, honestly.
Mate, it's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. And they've even
75,000 miles, cruise control, leather seats, RS4 leather seats as well, the nice ones, full electric.
So this is the 8.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a facelift.
Yeah. In Sepang, hand roof. Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah. So we're slowly moving up, mate, to getting our broken 720S, which is the dream.
Yeah.
I do think this is how we trade up.
Yeah.
Like we should trade up broken car to broken car. But I really enjoy saving cars or bringing cars back to life.
I think people like seeing that as well.
Yeah, and because I think the guy who owned this had offers off places that just would have fixed it and flipped it.
Yep.
Whereas we've had so many people reach out about the cars we've got, and we've sold cars that aren't even fixed yet because they like the story as well. So I kind of like that idea. I think the owner who sold it to me was more up for that than just letting it be flipped to make a load more money. So yeah, mate, it's nice.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Can you reach that handle down there, mate, and we'll look at the give that a tug, Dad.
There we go. The bonnet de douche.
But it's clean. It is clean, to be fair. It does run. I'm just minimising how much I run it.
Yeah, of
Like
course.
we pushed off a truck.
There we go.
Missing top engine cover, so I need to get one of those. But other than that, it's complete. It's in one piece. How I like them, Dav.
Yes.
They're not. It's not a puzzle.
Yeah, it's not a big Lego set.
No. So CFSA engine. Obviously, haven't decided yet what I need to do because I haven't stripped it.
Yeah.
It could need a crank.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. Oil coolers, anything the oil runs through is junk. So oil cooler, all that sort of stuff's got to go.
Yeah.
And hopefully it's just sat in a sump. Hopefully it hasn't contaminated everything else.
Yeah.
Hopefully the cam bearings are in good order and stuff like that. But we'll suck it and see, mate. We'll suck it and see.
They're good, these. I do like these.
Yeah, it's wicked, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bone stock. I found a problem. Wiper cap's missing.
That's it. Deal's off, mate. Back it.
Send it back.
Send it back.
Officially reject the car. But yeah, if you come through to the... Look, black optics.
Ooh.
Factory black optics, mate. Not wrapped.
Yeah. Nice.
But like, mate, back seats have not got a mark on them. How's your filtering?
The filter's okay. I just need to get some... There we go.
Nice.
Hang on a minute. Right, hold it there.
Do you want to come round?
Yeah, no, if you just flip that seat back. There we go. Those rear seats are mint. Yeah, most of them have had marks with child seats and scuffs.
Not been sat in, mate. Not been sat in.
Are they heated rears
In the
as well?
van. Hang on. No, they're not.
No.
Not heated rears.
I don't want it then.
No.
There's another one I want.
Yeah, got a second key coming down. The owner's going to come down and sort of shake my hand, give me a paperwork, and yeah. But it's in one piece. Stops, starts, runs, drives.
Yeah.
So another one that we'll have to, mate. You're just going to have to move up here because we're going to end up missing bits, missing parts of the story. So we'll have to.
We'll have to work something out, won't we?
Yeah,
Yes.
we will do. So
cool. Okay.
Right.
So that's a quick update on that.
It is.
I think this is something in its own right, isn't it?
Well, yeah, I think so. Nice little build on an RS4.
Yeah. All right.
Which is.
And as ever,
cool.
Tell us what else you'd like to see. Kind of saved, in
like,
inverted commas.
Do you know what, right? Or if you've got something to be saved.
Yeah.
We had a guy reach out with an RS6, a C5. So if anyone's after one of those, it needs turbos and some bodywork, let me know and we'll link you up.
That was the one with really shocking bodywork.
Yeah, bodywork was pretty. Yeah, it was pretty rough. So yeah, that's the timing's not right for me on that one.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you've got something that, what do you want? What do you want? Mitsubishi GTO 3000. Always wanted one of them.
Oh, I was never a fan of those.
Were you not? See, I don't want to get too deep in the Jap stuff because it'll turn into another Noble.
Yeah, we don't want restos.
No, or broken things.
It's very heavily Audi based at the moment for obvious reasons, but it doesn't have to be.
No, because it'd be nice to do like a Lambo or McLaren, but then you need ball of money, and I haven't got that.
We're working up to that.
Yeah, we'll build up. So,
all right.
Yeah, let us know what's what.
Yep.
Smash buttons, and we'll see where it takes us. Hopefully not scrap crank.